to Wonderful News. I'm Rahfa Azzahra, and today we'll take you to a refreshing destination in Cianjur, West Java. It's called Kampung Padi, a beautiful village themed tourist spot to blend nature with traditional Shandades culture. Let's head over to our reporter, Shilva Dwina, who is already on location.
Thank you, Rahpa. I'm here at Kampung Padi, a peaceful tourist village surrounded by rice fields, traditional wooden houses, and local Sundanese food. This place is perfect for family looking to relax and enjoy outdoor activities like rice planting and river plays. Now, let's hear from one of the visitors to see what they think. Hello there, may I know your name?
Hello, my name is Ijeng Sapitri from Bandung.
What do you think about Kampung Padi?
It's really cool and peaceful. My kids love playing outside, and the food is delicious. I definitely love to come back.
Okay, thank you, Miss Ijeng. Enjoy to the rest of your visit.
Okay, you're welcome.
That's all from Kampung Padi, Cianjur. I'm Shilva Dwina, reporting for Wonderful News.
Sound amazing, right? I'd love to visit Kampung Padi myself. Stay tuned on Wonderful News. More inspiring travel stories coming up next. Okay, thank you.